This is the dumbest shit I've ever seen in my entire life. You guys, okay, have you seen this latest trend? Okay, so there's this new trend on the internet in which girls, they make their eyebrows the shape of halos. It's called halo brows. Like, what the fuck is this? So, okay. You guys, this is crazy. Let me show you the proof of this. There's this chick, right? And she made her eyebrows look like halos. Look at this. Look, her eyebrows are the shape of halos. Is that sexy or not? I think it's disgusting and stupid. Isn't that so stupid? Like, ew. This is like a fucking alien. Cringe. I mean, she's pretty. So if she just had that dumb eyebrows like normal, she would look really pretty. Oh, she's alright actually. She's okay looking. But like the eyebrows are just so ew. What's wrong with you? Like you have to be like mentally unstable to do your eyebrows like that. Like that is so stupid. Ew. So like that's my latest, like this is video gonna be, this is gonna be about this dumb eyebrow trend. Like all these dumb trends, like this is the worst I've ever seen. Like it just keeps getting worse, you guys. Like, oh my god. There have been all these dumb eyebrow trends last year. Like last year there was this trend, I forgot what the trend was last year. I don't know, but there was some ugly ass trend last year with the eyebrows. Now it's the halo brows. Like it starts here and just like wraps around here. It looks like Satan's mistress. Like what the fuck, but anyway, so I thought I'd make this quick video just letting you guys know that this trend is out there, so be aware. Don't watch any of these eyebrow videos because they're just gonna be a waste of time. Like they will literally make you dumber by watching them. Like your brain cells will literally like deplete by watching them, and like don't copy these trends. They're so lame and they're so stupid. Like, you know what I mean? Like, yeah. Anyway, so a PSA, you guys. Don't click on any of these stupid ass eyebrow videos. Well, not like these weird, like, you know, like the weird, the ugly eyebrow ones, like with the halo, whatever. Like, don't even click on those videos. They're just super stupid. And like this girl, like, she's really pretty. Well, not really. I mean, she's okay. She's pretty. Okay, she's pretty. She's kind of ordinary, but whatever. You know what I mean? Like, she's okay. But she makes it look like a joke. Like what the fuck? But anyway, so let me know what else you want me to talk about. Are there weird things happening that you want me to do a rant about? Let me know in the comments below. Like, subscribe, I do videos every single day. I do a lot of videos, a lot of random videos. So, I mean, I'll talk about anything. So, let me know what weird thing I should talk about next. And yeah, like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys tomorrow for a brand new video. Until next time, bye guys.